The psychologist gave the students one very important lesson. When he raised his glass of water, everyone was waiting for him to ask, "Is it half full or half empty?" But instead he asked, "How much does this glass of water weigh?" Everyone began to name different weights, but the psychologist replied, "Absolute weight does not matter, it all depends on how long I hold it. If I hold it for a minute, then this is not a problem. If I hold it for an hour, my arm will start to hurt. If I hold it for a day, then my arm will become numb. The weight of the glass does not change, but the longer I hold it, the heavier it becomes. Stress and worries are like a glass of water. If you think about them just a little, nothing will happen. If you think about them longer, they will cause pain. And if you think about them all day, they will paralyze you. So don't forget to lower the glass. Love yourself and be happy.